Good morning students, myself Vikas Tiwari, PGT Biology from PG Senior Secondary School. I am here with my next topic for class 9th, that is animal tissue. So here we will discuss about animal tissue because in my last video my topic was plant tissue and their types. So here we will discuss about animal tissues and about their types. So the tissue which is present in animal body, that type of tissues are called animal tissues, because in case of animal body including human being, there are many type of organ and organ systems are present, and we know that tissue form tissue system, and that tissue system form organ, and organ form organ system. So tissue are of different type in case of animal body also, because there are different type of organs and body parts are present in case of animal body, and that is only made up of tissues. So here we will discuss about tissue, and we know that the branch of science which deals about the study of tissue is called histology, and Bicot is known as father of histology. On the basis of functions, there are four main types of animal tissues. So how many types of animal tissues? So on the basis of functions, there are four main types of animal tissues, that is first number epithelial tissue, second number connective tissue, third number muscular tissue, and fourth number is nervous tissue. So all these tissues are present in animal body, that is the epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. These are the four main types of tissues which are present in animal body. Now first number about epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissues are especially occur on the outer surface of the body, means it is like a protective tissue which covers the outer surface of the body as well as the internal free surface of many organs, because in case of our body or in case of animal body there are different organs are present, means in many organs there are free surfaces are present, and that inner surfaces are also covered by epithelial tissue. So it is like a protective tissue which cover the outer surface as well as the internal free surface of many organs of animal body. So epithelial tissues covers the external surface of the body and internal free surface of many organs, especially lining of skin, means lining of skin is covered by epithelial tissue. After that alimentary canal, that is our digestive system. After that blood vessel which is responsible for circulation of blood, digestive glands, in case of digestive gland especially pancreas and liver, and after that respiratory system are protected by epithelial tissue. So in our body or in case of animal body, lining of skin, alimentary canal, blood vessels, digestive glands like pancreas and liver, and respiratory system are protected by epithelial tissue. So it is like a protective tissue because it covers the external surface as well as the inner surface of many organs in animal body or in case of human being. Now about types of epithelial tissue. So depending on the structure and function, epithelial tissues are classified into the following groups, that is the simple epithelium and after that compound epithelium. So there are two main types of epithelial tissue, that is the simple epithelium and compound epithelium. In case of simple epithelium, there are a single layer of cells are present, while in case of compound more than one layers of cells are present. In case of simple epithelium, especially found generally on secretory and absorptive surface, where all the simple epithelium occur. So simple epithelium generally occur on secretory and absorptive surfaces. In case of simple epithelium, there are five main types, that is the squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, columnar epithelium, ciliated epithelium and glandular epithelium. These are the main types of simple epithelium, while in case of compound epithelium there are two main types, that is the stratified epithelium and transitional epithelium. So one by one we will discuss about squamous, after that cuboidal, columnar, ciliated, glandular and after that about compound epithelium. Now about squamous epithelium. Squamous epithelium is a type of epithelial tissue and it consists of many cells, and that cells may be thin, flat and polygonal with prominent round or oval nucleus. Mean in case of the cells of squamous epithelium, they contain prominent nucleus and the shape of nucleus may be round or oval, and the cells may be thin, flat or polygonal. The squamous epithelium commonly formed esophagus, lining of the mouth and the skin, all are made up of squamous epithelium. So this is very important, that is our skin, lining of mouth and esophagus all are made up of squamous epithelium. The main function of squamous epithelium is protection of underlying tissue, means it protect the underlying tissue. This is the important function of squamous epithelium. Now about cuboidal epithelium. So after squamous, next is cuboidal. In case of cuboidal epithelium, it consists of tube shaped cells in vertical section, means their all cells are in tube like structure. In case of vertical section, so it consists of tube shaped cells in vertical section. It participates in protection, secretion, excretion and absorption. The cuboidal epithelium participate in case of protection of the organs, after that especially in the secretion of different type of fluids, in case of excretion of excretory products, as well as in the case of absorption. It formed lining of kidney tubules. In case of kidney, there are many tubules are present, and the kidney tubules are formed, the lining of kidney tubules are formed by cuboidal epithelium. After that, the lining of pancreatic duct and ducts of salivary gland and ovaries. So in case of kidney tubules, in case of pancreatic duct and in ducts of salivary gland and ovary, the lining of all these tubules or duct are formed by cuboidal epithelium. So cuboidal epithelium formed lining of kidney tubules, pancreatic duct, duct of salivary gland and ovary. Now third number is columnar epithelium. So columnar epithelium consists of tall pillar like cells, mean their cells are tall and pillar like shape. So it consists of tall pillar like cells And one thing is there, the nucleus is oval shaped and located at the base of the cell. The nucleus is oval shaped and located at the base of cell like this. So it consists of tall pillar like cells and the nucleus is in oval shaped structure and located at the base of cell, not in the mid or the tip of the cell, only on the basal part. It helps in secretion and absorption. The columnar epithelium also helps in secretion and absorption and commonly found in the inner surface of intestine. There are two types of intestine, that is the small intestine and large intestine, and the inner surface of intestine are made up of columnar epithelium. So columnar epithelium commonly found in the inner surface of intestine, inner surface of stomach and inner surface of gallbladder. So where are columnar epithelium found? So it is found commonly or mainly found in the inner surface of intestine and stomach and gallbladder. Now about ciliated epithelium. Ciliated epithelium consists of columnar or cuboidal epithelium cells. It is commonly consists of columnar or cuboidal epithelium cells and generally found in inner surface of some hollow organs, that is the bronchioles. In case of our respiratory system, bronchioles are present and the hollow part of the bronchioles formed by ciliated epithelium or ciliated epithelium found in the hollow space of the bronchioles. After that, nasal passage means inner part of our nose. So in the inner part of our nose, ciliated epithelium present, and especially in case of fallopian tubes in human female, because in human female one pair of fallopian tube or oviducts are present and their inner surface is formed of ciliated epithelium. So it is mainly found in the inner surface of some hollow organs like bronchioles, nasal passage and fallopian tube. Now the last is glandular epithelium. So glandular epithelium is commonly occur in a special type of glands which is present in animal body or in case of human being. There are two main types of glands are present, that is exocrine gland and endocrine gland. Both type of glands are responsible for secretion of a special type of fluid and that fluid helps in the many body function. So all the glands which is present in body are formed by glandular epithelium. So the glandular epithelium formed by modifying columnar or cuboidal epithelium, and glands are specialized epithelial cells that produce a fluid secretion, because commonly two type of glands are present in our body that is formed by glandular epithelium, that is especially exocrine gland and endocrine gland. In case of exocrine gland, especially our salivary glands which is present in 3 pairs are in 6 number, 3 in right side and 3 in left side. And in our body many type of endocrine glands are present, that is without duct, and exocrine gland with duct. In exocrine gland ducts are present, while in case of endocrine gland ducts are not present. So on the basis of presence or absence of ducts they are called exocrine gland on the basis of presence of duct, and called endocrine gland on the basis of absence of duct. So now about compound epithelium. So because there are two type of epithelium, simple and compound. So in case of compound, it is made up of 2 or more layers of cells. Means in case of simple epithelium only one single layer is present, while in case of compound epithelium 2 or more layer of cells are present, and cells may be of different shapes, in different layers, means in all layers the shapes of cells are not similar. The shape of cells are different in every layers, and the main function of compound epithelium is protection to underlying tissue against mechanical, chemical, thermal and osmotic stresses. In case of compound epithelium, there are two main types, that is stratified epithelium and transitional epithelium. Stratified epithelium commonly present in the surface of buccal cavity and esophagus. Buccal cavity or mouth cavity, the inner space of our mouth. So stratified compound epithelium present in case of buccal cavity and in case of esophagus, while the transitional compound epithelium commonly occur in the surface of urinary bladder and ureter. And in my next video we will discuss about connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue.